Hello, welcome back. Today me and the boys embark on a challenge to get to the most secret waterfall in Wales, Sgwd Awyn Gam. Hidden in the Welsh mountains next to the Eladir Trail, we must hike upstream to reach our end goal. However, to get there we must drive 2 hours, climb over obstacles, explore caves and cross over rivers. Right, so let's go. Just got my hair cut. Yeah, not that bad. Right then, back in the Beamer. We're going on a hike today. Yeah, I know. Don't be disappointed, I'm not in anywhere fancy, but we got a new character unlocked. We got Freddie Wharton. Now, this guy's a character. I'm gonna introduce him in literally a second. I'm going to drive to us now. We're gonna go to the shops, get some snacks, and then we're heading to Wales. We're doing the Eladir Trail mixed with one other thing, but the boys don't know about that yet. I'm also getting Mike as well. Turn that fucking beeping off. Yeah, but yeah, we're gonna make the best day of it, eh? Come on!
A friend indeed is a friend indeed, but a friend with weed. I bring your own supply. A friend indeed is a friend indeed, but a friend with weed is better.
Get your petrol out. Come on. We've been sat here 5 minutes now, me bab. What are they looking at then? Oh, sorry, mate. You got a, have you got a bin? Hey.
Oh, sorry, was that perfectly in place?
Where's your bag?
What?
Where's your bag?
My bag?
Yeah.
I just put it in the back, mate.
Oh, sorry.
It's alright, mate.
Wait, Freddie's feeling cute today. You got enough?
Alright, what's wrong with
I'm like in the middle of you two.
Oh.
2 hour drive.
Nothing attached to your keys, mate.
Yeah, I know. It's because I just took it to the thing and he took it off.
No, can't do anything.
Hang on.
You fucking big dead driver.
Getting a good photo, Mike. Come on in, Freddie.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, it's my first vlog appearance, isn't it?
What are you thinking then?
Yeah, mate. Nice
Let's
start.
have it.
Swimming later.
Yeah. Expectations for today then? What are you thinking? Good waterfalls or bad falls?
Good waterfalls.
Yeah.
Weather's on our side.
Weather is on our side. It is like
company.
beautiful.
Last minute edition of Pipe. I found the cave. Who you've seen before.
Where's the cape? Ooh. Is this a waterfall then or what?
It looks like it. It depends how cool you are. Maybe that's a fucking big one.
That's a tsunami for you, Mike. We are at the Eladir Trail in Wales. And oh my days, bruv. We're on a side quest already, yeah? Yeah, we're at the Eladir Trail, waterfalls, cave. Fred doesn't know about the cave yet, so we're gonna shit him up, say it's haunted.
Oi, who the fuck cut the rock?
Oh, Dwayne. All UK water there.
Is this a fucking scenic bird location?
This isn't. That looks appetizing, mate. Let's get in there.
I'm not staging. I'm fucking walking for a gate.
Yeah, Fred, that was a bit weird, mate. I can't lie.
Yeah, now I look like a dick.
I want to see your dick. Whoa.
Take your trousers down.
Wait, that's not good in the video. Some penny-wise shit right there. How did he make that so awkward?
Yeah, that's spooky, man.
Get
What
in
is
then.
the beat?
Go in.
Wait, nah.
Nah.
What would you do if like the bear came out or something?
Kill it.
What is it?
Limestone.
It's flint.
Flint and steel.
Yeah.
Let's go to the Nether then. Yeah, that's sick, mate.
2 rounds later.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Well, who's getting fucking shanked in a hut then? Because this is...
Sorry, you say shag?
Shanked. Or shag. Loink.
Oh, I'm not seeing many waterfalls.
Yeah, not gonna lie, in terms of waterfalls, pretty dead so far. nice walk though.
You're going to say hello to these lovely civilians?
Oh,
Got
look
it.
at the little...
Hello. Go on, tell us a fun fact about a butterfly.
So I don't know facts about butterflies, but if we would see a butterfly, I could tell you what butterfly.
Alright, if we see a butterfly, I'm
Yeah.
straight up asking them.
Like I had one on.
Yeah, but I don't know anything about butterflies, so you could just
So
say.
you could Google it. You could Google
Alright,
the name
alright,
I said.
alright,
That's
yeah.
what when Kel said to out in Barbados.
Yeah, oh,
I
yeah.
saw a yellow
Got-
buttercup.
Alright, I've stopped caring too much.
Okay.
The boys are calling me. Excuse me, Michael, let's just get down here, shall we?
Not being near a body of water.
Oh, don't get me started on the body of water. Let's have a little skimming championship ponies. Alright. Can't see any.
Oh, that's a beauty!
Send her there, Mike. You're gonna go downstream or upstream?
Ooh.
Across.
Yeah.
In that gap.
Yeah, look at that.
Yeah, that's nice. Let's have a go.
That sounded bad. Oh, this is going to be fucking lush.
Oh, no.
Oh, this one's wedged in, waiting for me.
You skimmed it. You skimmed it across.
2015-2016 season.
What? Don't break it. Yeah. That's exactly. Oh wait, it's a rock.
No.
It's a rock. That's a glitch in the Matrix.
That's a weird fucking rock.
I thought that white rock was a waterfall back over there, but now it's just a rock. The graphics here is mental. Found a cave. We're gonna cross the bridge and have a little look. Yeah.
Yeah, man.
That's a big hole in it.
See if we can find some cool shit. This is lush.
This is lush. Shall I do a little weller?
Oi, oi. Ah, yeah, maybe.
Hello.
Maybe not, then.
Nah, that is creepy. Well, we can't get in there anyway because there's water.
Shiny big tools then.
I hadn't built my torch. I actually did nothing. How far do you reckon that goes?
Probably quite far.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It probably curves around.
Oh, I wish we had wellies.
Yeah.
I wouldn't go. What about a torch? Who's that then?
Mate, what is that? Why is that fucking...
So that's a, yeah.
Poke it.
I feel straight.
Nah, don't fucking do that next to me, mate.
I'm not actually.
Steady on. Chill out. That is quite... Ain't it?
Fred, I like your bag, mate. Look like after World War II, like.
Cheers, mate.
Good boy.
You can fit like 2 weeks of stuff in there.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So don't need an advert for it, mate. I'm not sponsored by him.
Careful, Mike. Your little legs. Careful with your little legs.
Right then, boys, we are at the first waterfall. Let's have a little gander, shall we? Alright then, boys, ready for this? Are you ready for this beauty? Look at the pretty waterfall.
Quite nice, that.
It is, isn't it? We're going to try and attempt to get behind it, and this is what we've got to cross. Oh my god. Okay. Oh, that rock there is loose. I thought that was my time then. Oh, that one. I put a bit more weight on the other side. Spooked me out. in the 550s, mind. I got some waterproof treads, these are nice. Oh, Fred's off. Yeah, that one there's loose, so just, yeah, prepare. Oh my god! Oh my god! He grabbed that brat and it snapped. If I was in there, he would have gone. I'm getting dripped on, Fred. Move! Move!
Oh mud, you got, whoa!
You know that?
Yeah, I did.
Oh yeah. Come on, the boys. We're at the top. Where are we, Freddie?
At the top.
At the fucking top. Alright, let's have a look.
Yeah, fuck that.
That is pretty high up. What are you doing? What are you doing? You're a madman, Mike. Don't do it.
Yeah.
Right, let's not forget why we're here though. We need to keep travelling upstream and go off the grid to get to our end goal. Now this means hiking in mud and crossing across whole rivers.
In the bloody jungle, mate. Oh, shortcut. Right, we've got to cross the river.
This looks like beavers live here, but look at all the little sticks. Why are they here?
Fred! Oh, fuck. Yeah, my foot is soaked. Oh my god.
Alright, so basically Cratchley here has went to take a step onto a rock and that rock is loose. So I've rolled my ankle and I've just stumbled across the whole river basically.
Oh, my feet are absolutely soaked. So much for waterproof shoes.
But Freddie, you somehow outdo me, mate.
Oh, alright, come on, you got this. That is literally why I got wet as well. Here's fine. Yeah, you can. And then that one. It's literally 3 steps and you'll be here. Just quick, don't think. I don't know why you're laughing, you haven't come across yet. Oh, Freddie, post-match interview.
Socks are being changed.
Right boys, we're in the heart of Wales, walking along the riverbank. It's not on a path anymore, it's literally just the side of it. I've just seen the boys trying to create a path, so let's go investigate. You creating a path then, yeah?
Oh mate, my foot is cooked.
You got a path now?
I'm gonna have to do a whole fall. Can I chuck in my bag?
Yeah.
Catch it.
Oh, gonna get what?
Yeah, you're gonna even get black.
Oh shit! Ah!
We actually helped you with those rocks.
Yeah, yeah. Oh mate, I'm really
2 feet away now.
Yes, yeah, boy. Mate, it don't matter, my feet are fucking soaked anyway.
Grow up. Oh, right then. We haven't made it, but it's in the distance. If you're coming here with kids, no chance. Absolutely no chance. I couldn't even film. I don't want to stress any of you at home watching, but we was on like literally for a foot cliff wide, and I reckon the drop was like 30 meters. I couldn't get my camera out. I mean, I'm alright with heights. How the I think we've got to cross again. Jeez, this is the hardest waterfall to get to. The boys are behind me, they're slackers. I'm just gonna walk on my own now to the waterfall, sit down, have a breather. I've got a monster in my bag, I'm gonna crack that open. Oh my days. Oh Jesus Christ. Oh god. This is what it was like. I'm on the boys, right? Work. But I'm here. Oh. I'm on the boys! Is that shallow? Yeah, good. Are you ready for this then? Oh my god. That camera's not doing it justice. That is massive. I need to get closer. That is absolutely massive. That's a corker.
That's what she said!
Tell you what as well, I love the new clobber. I bought some waterproof trousers, a new bag, and some waterproof shoes. Absolute lifesaver. Mate, it's literally a path. I'll come back. Fucking hell. Ugh. See, that one hard, was it?
Go back that way.
Yeah. It's about the journey, not the destination. Ah. That is absolutely mental. Wait, if I get you a little...
Oh no, I am fucking cold! Oh, that is a cold. And, let's all do it together. No, mate, I just give it. Oh, mate. Nice. You're crazy. Oh, mate. Oh. He's out. Watch out.
Oh no, my feet are in pain. Yeah,
That's
oh
what I
my god.
mean.
No, I don't think we can go in there.
Nah, mate, think how often you're feeling. I want to try it because you tried it.
Nah, I reckon call it off. Call it off. Nah, that is absolutely Baltic. Nah.
Get off.
Boy, what am I fetching? I didn't even get in.
Yeah, so it just turns out we are just a bunch of pussies then.
I just took damage from H2O.
We failed. Mission failed.
Mate, bundle.
One thing we've got to promise on camera, when we're in Madeira, we've got to go in our waterfall. This is the path. That doesn't look very steep, but it bloody is. Look at the state of it, bruv. Right, I'm back across. My route was this time, which is... Why have you just put your foot in? Basically, I like jumped using the branch onto that rock and then...
Mate, my feet are soaked already.
You just got to push the branch out the way and it's sound. So yeah, I've got to wait for these two again now. But I'm across, so I drove, so if they're not over in half an hour, I'm driving home on my own.
Ooh, you're hard showing off.
To be fair, as I laughed, I stepped back quite a little and I'll just lose it.
Fred, you've made it. Yes, Mark! Oh no, your friend.
Oh no.
He's done it! Yeah! We've had a nightmare of epic.
This is my last ever vlog appearance.
He looked at you and he goes, nah, but he's making it too difficult.
And then went that way.
For a swab.
Mate. Oh no. Mate, go wash it off, your feet are already wet.
I can't do this.
Do you know what I find mental? I find it mental that there's been the same amount of water on this planet forever. So that water, yeah, that's a river, it leads to the sea. Which means that might have just come from that might have come from anywhere.
Iceland.
Like, yeah. Well, that's probably been through like a human, like drinking water.
Yeah.
Then it pissed out, went down the toilet, into the sewage.
Pissed in.
Yeah. I'm pretty sure there's like a fact where every glass you drink, like one drop has been through a dinosaur.
Yeah, I've seen that.
Right, I swear this tree was not here.
Yeah, to be fair.
Okay, so that is the hike done. We're gonna get some grub at, I don't know if we go to Squid Ladies or the Angel. The boys are on a piss, so we're gonna decide. Hey, up here they are then. Oh, both coming out at the same time. Bit dodgy. What have you been up to?
Fucking around, mate.
Which one are we going to? The Angel or Squid Ladies?
Angel.
Angel?
You didn't realise it because I didn't invite you. That's nice, isn't it?
Let's demolish this then.
I don't think Harry would do it, but I'd be so fucking accurate.
How are your feet, mate?
Oh, mate.
Wet.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Bang it.
I just had a lovely lasagna though.
You did. You enjoyed that, didn't you?
Good Guinness. Oh.
Yeah.
And now a burn.
The hike is over. We're going to the Beamer. We're going home. And we have got a nice Minecraft date.
No fucking shit, mate. State of fucking obvious or what, bird? Sick fucking bastard.
Oh, yeah, at least you've helped yourself there with some jackets at least.
I'm putting my shorts on.
Freddie's home and he's feeling well, you've been feeling better, eh? Out your toes out. Buddy slept the whole way in, basically.
I'm feeling lush.
But I am knackered, my feet are freezing. Oh, I just look rough. I want to go to bed. But the boys have called, so let's have it. Ooh, should I turn it into a little gaming channel then? Anyway, I'm gonna play some Minecraft. Eat me baker ashes. And that is the vlog done. Thank you very, very much. We tricked you.